If you've just upgraded to Windows 11 and are getting random blue screens of death, you're likely dealing with a driver conflict. Upgrading from Windows 10 can cause old drivers to clash with the new OS and wipe out your work. Here's how to fix it. Let's get started. Before we use third-party tools, go to Settings, Windows Update, and click Advanced Options. Open Optional Updates. If Windows actually managed to find your missing hardware drivers, they will be hiding here. Check the boxes and hit Install. If Windows comes up empty, go to your manufacturer's website, like HP or Dell, and download their official driver assistant. Run the scan. If it finds the missing network or graphics driver, install it and restart. But if your PC is still crashing, or you have older hardware the manufacturer abandoned, we have to force the update using external tools. We are going to use PC HelpSoft Driver Updater. It is incredibly effective at finding obscure missing drivers, but we are not letting it run wild on our system. Use the link below to install it, but do not hit update yet. Click the gear icon, go to General Settings, and uncheck Launch App at Start. Next, go to Notification Settings. Uncheck every single notification and check Turn off all background processes. It will try to sneak a third-party offer back on. Uncheck that immediately and hit Apply. Now the software is lobotomized. It will only run when you tell it to. Let the scan run and avoid blindly clicking Update All. We're targeting the kernel crashers, so focus on graphics, sound, network, and controller drivers. Use Manual Fix, hit Update, and close any prompts. Afterwards, update the remaining drivers in any order, but proceed cautiously. Some PCs work better with certain older drivers. If you know your PC well, skip the ones that might cause issues. That said, it's still highly recommended to keep your drivers up to date. If you want a more aggressive alternative, use Smart Driver Booster. The link is also below. Critical warning: during installation, absolutely make sure you uncheck the bundled adware recommendations. Once installed, open the settings. Uncheck Minimize to System Tray. Under Scan Priority, change it to Stability First. We want to prevent blue screens, not test beta drivers. Head to the scheduler and disable all automatic background scanning. Leave only the manual trigger checked. Now run the scan, let it categorize by importance, and force the updates for your core hardware. Once your core drivers are replaced, the driver collisions stop and the blue screens are gone. If you run into specific hardware errors, join the new FlushTech Discord linked below and drop your screenshots so we can bypass them. Hit subscribe if this saved your system. And if you are still stuck on Windows 10 because Microsoft blocked your CPU, click the video on screen right now to see the exact terminal command to bypass the block and install Windows 11 today. See you there.